Drivers behind the lines. 3, 2, 1, crescendo.
We are now in match 13 here at the Minnesota Granite City Regional. Our robots are operating autonomously to get as many notes into that speaker as possible. As the buzzer sounds, the drivers take control of their robots. The red has edged out with a lead as they scored 6 notes, while the blue alliance only scored 4. 8188 Grand Forks is sending notes over to their alliance members for more efficient cycling. 876 puts a note into an amplified speaker. The red alliance has an amplified speaker. Team 3130, the error, going to make good use of that. 8188 still sending over those notes. 1816 puts a note into that amp, so their amplifier is fully loaded and ready for amplification. 1816 scores a note into that amplified speaker. That's 1, 2, 3 notes, 15 points for them. Red Alliance now has an amplified speaker. The errors puts 1 note in, has another one in the hand, and that makes 2 notes in. With just over a minute left in our match, the Blue Alliance has the lead. The Blue Alliance has an amplified speaker, and they're trying to make good use of it. The errors puts a note up and into their amplified speaker. That's 1 note, 2 note, another note, and right next to them, they're gonna try and pick up and cycle it. Minute bots help them out, putting a 3rd and potentially a 4th note into that amplified speaker for the Red Alliance. Notes are still flying across the field as Grand Force is sending over notes. It looks like Gators 5172 is picking up some of those notes that are sent over and sending it over to the Red Alliance side. Blue Alliance still has a very slight lead with just under 30 seconds left in our match. 1816 putting a note into that amp for the Blue Alliance, and we hear that guitar riff. Less than 20 seconds left in the match. Red Alliance is trying to get more points in as they have an amplified speaker. 3130 puts a note into that amplified speaker. 876 Thunder Robotics is going for the climb. 8188 Grand Forks is going up for the climb. As the buzzer rings, we have 2 robots on stage for the Blue Alliance, and 1 Alliance is victorious with another new high score of 129 points to 101. That means our second finalist team is Alliance 4 as they advance to the finals.